Hi, I'm Wade from Thoroughbred Diesel, and today we're going to be showing you ATS's 3-piece manifold for the 98.5 to 02 Dodge trucks. So, cracking of the Cummins manifold on the 5.9 trucks is one of the biggest problems that you have, one of the most common problems that you have. ATS has come out with their answer to that with their 3-piece manifold. Now, the reason why they did this manifold in 3-piece design is to give you the ability for the head to expand and contract with the normal heat cycles that are going to be going through the head. So this is a ball and flange design on this 3-piece manifold. If you grab this hard enough, you'll be able to turn one of these sides. As far as the tolerances go on the press fit of this, it's a pretty tight tolerance, so it's going to come together pretty tightly. As the truck warms up, it's going to increase the seal there, so you're not going to have any exhaust leaks or anything like that in this manifold. Now, this is cast with a high silica moly casting, so very, very tough. Again, another thing that lends itself to not cracking for you. You can get this wastegate, so this comes in your normal stock T3 foot on the wastegate. You can get this in an externally wastegated version, so you guys that are trying to run a external wastegate, and we also have it in T4 foot sizes for you guys that are running a little bit bigger charger on there. So this comes with the gasket kit. It's one of the nicer features of this. So you get all of the exhaust manifold gaskets as well as the exhaust turbine housing gasket to the manifold to replace, so everything you're going to need for the installation. It's going to come with a hardware kit, going to have turbo bolts in there, some of the bolts for coolant lines that go along the manifold. It's got a bracket comes with that, anything replaced, so you will be reusing your stock manifold back. Now, you guys will know second gen manifold for 9802, this is what you use in your second gen swaps for you 6-7 guys as well. So just know that you're getting a very, very quality product here in this manifold. Now, this ATS 3-piece pulse manifold also going to increase flow for you, so you're going to get quicker turbo spool up, you're going to get lower EGTs because of that. It's just going to flow air a lot more efficiently than what your stock manifold is going to flow. Now I'll show you this too. This is tapped for an EGT port, so if you get this and you've got a 1/8 by 27 EGT port, you can punch that in right there. Flat enough surface. If you've got to cut one for 1/4 inch, you can do that on this side as well. This is cast cast in black, or painted black. From casting, it's got ATS's logos on it. Just a really, really nice piece. So avoid one of the top failures that you get on the 24 valve trucks is cracking of the manifold. This solves this. Now, this manifold is going to be part of a turbo installation that we're going to be doing on an 01 truck, so definitely check that out in our ATS Aurora 3000 installation video, and we'll link you to that inside of this video. Part of the installation for this ATS 3-piece manifold is going to be in that video as well. So if you have a question about ATS's products or any of the other products we sell, just give us a call. Please like and subscribe to our channel, and thanks for watching.